السلام عليكم. Grade 8 inshallah. Now inshallah we take a new lesson 3 in algebra, adding rational numbers. Now inshallah we take how to adding two rational numbers. Adding rational numbers. Our objective today inshallah represent addition operation on the number line. Adding two rational numbers has the same denominators. Adding two rational numbers with the different denominators. How to adding two rational numbers using the number line. To adding two rational numbers a over b plus c over b using the number line. Start counting from the point that represent by a over b on the number line. I will start from the first rational number a over b. Then moving to the right. Moving to the right, if c over d is positive, and left if c over d is negative. For example, find using the number line 2 over 7 plus 3 over 7. The first, I have the number line and divide the number line. The first number will be 0 over 7. Second, 1 over 7, 2 over 7, 3 over 7, 4 over 7, 5 over 7, 6 over 7, 7 over 7 equals 1. Here I will divide it, the number line, by using your ruler. I will start from the first rational number. I have here the first rational number is 2 over 7. I will start from 2 over 7. And look to the second number. Second number, I need to adding 3 over 7. I will notice here 3 over 7 is the positive rational number. We say before, when I have the positive rational number, I will move to the right. When I have the positive number, move to the right. I will move to the right. How many steps? 3. 1, 2, 3. I will stand from 5 over 7. Again, grade 7. How to draw the two rational number on the number line. I will start from the first rational number. The first rational number here is 2 over 7. I will start from 2 over 7. And look to the second rational number. The second rational number here is the positive number. The positive number, 3 over 7. It means I will moving 3 steps to the right. Start from 2 over 7 and count 1, 2, 3. I will stand from 5 over 7. It means the answer will be 5 over 7. Another example. Find using the number line 2 over 9 plus negative 5 over 9. The same step. I will the first do the number line with your ruler and pencil. Here, draw the number line and divide the number line. 0 over 9, 1 over 9, 2 over 9, 3 over 9, 4 over 9, 5 over 9, 6 over 9, 7 over 9 is a positive direction. I will start from 0 and write the positive direction 1 over 9, 2 over 9, 3 over 9, 4 over 9, 5 over 9, 6 over 9, 7 over 9. Now we take a negative direction. Negative 1 over 9. Negative 2 over 9, negative 3 over 9, negative 4 over 9. Again, I have the two rational number. I need to add two rational number and draw on the number line. Here, I will write the number line and divide it. over 9, 2 over 9, 3 over 9, and so on, the positive direction, and the negative direction by the same denominator, because the denominator here will be 9. I will divide 0 over 9, 1 over 9, 2 over 9. Now, inshallah, we start from the first rational number. The first rational number is 2 over 9. I will start from 2 over 9 and moving 5 steps to the right or to the left. I will say before that if the rational number is the positive, I will move right. If the rational number is negative, I will to the left. Now I will notice the rational number is negative 5 over 9. It's mean I will move in 5 steps to the what? To the left. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will start here from negative 3 over 9. Any problem? Again, when I need to adding two rational number with the same denominator on the number line, I will start counting from the points. The first rational number, a over b, 2 over 5, 3 over 7, any rational number. I will start from it and look to the second rational number. If the second rational number is positive or negative. If the second rational number is positive, I will move to the right. If negative, I will move to the left. The answer would be negative 3 over 9. Can I put in the simplest form? I notice here negative 3 and 9 have the common number between them, 3. I will divide the numerator divided by 3 and then the denominator divided by 3. Negative 3 divided by 3 will be negative 1. 9 divided by 3 will be 3. Any problem? Here, adding two rational numbers with the same denominator. Now, inshallah, we take how to adding two rational numbers with the same denominator without number line. When I have here a over b and c over d are two rational numbers, then a over b plus c over d has the same denominator b. I will write it. And adding a plus c. For example, I have here 4 over 11 plus 5 over 11. I have the same denominator 11. I will write it. And adding 4 plus 9. 4 plus 5 will be 9 over 11. I have here any simplest form, any simplest or any common number between 9 and 11? No. The answer would be 9 over 11. A second example. 7 over 5 plus negative 3 over 5. I have here the same denominator 5. I will write it. And adding 7 plus negative 3. Attention here. The first one, the two number is positive. I will adding 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5. But the second example, I have 7 is a positive and negative 3 is a negative. I will adding 7 plus negative 3. Okay, here 7 plus negative 3 will be 4 over 9, and check the rational number in the simplest form or not. I will take it before in the first lesson. Is a 4 over 9 in the simplest form. Third one, negative 5 over 9 plus 4 over 9. I will check the denominator. I have here the same denominator. The same denominator will be 9. The first, I will write it. I will write 9 in the denominator. And adding the two number in the numerator. I have here negative 5 plus 4. I will add a negative 5 plus 4. Negative 5 plus 4 will be negative 1. Negative 1 over 9. And check the rational number in the simplest form. Yes. The answer will be negative 1 over 9. Second one, I have here addition to rational numbers with the different denominator. The first I will take with the same denominator. Same denominator is very easy. I will take it before. How to adding two rational numbers with a different denominator. What can I do? I have here if A over B and C over D. I will notice here I have B and D in the denominator. It means the two different denominators are two rational numbers. Then A over B plus C over D equals, I will multiply the denominator with different B multiplied by D and make cross multiplication. A multiplied by D plus B multiplied by C. Again, when I have two rational numbers with the different denominator, what is the meaning of the different denominator? I use here the first rational number, the denominator will be B, and the second rational number, the denominator is D. It's meaning the two rational number is the different denominator. How to add in? The first, I will multiply the denominator B multiplied by D and make cross multiplication B multiplied by C plus D multiplied by A. Before doing any operation, you have to put the rational number in the simplest form. For example, notes here, for example, 3 over 4 plus 2 over 5. 3 over 4 plus 2 over 5 is a two rational number. I will check with the different denominator or same. Here I have 4 and 5. It's meaning the two rational number is the different denominator. Okay, what can I do? The first, I will check the two rational number in the simplest form or not. 3 over 4 in the simplest form? Yes. Why? Because I don't have any common number I don't have any common number between them, 3 and 4. I won't check from the table. I don't have any common number between 3 and 4. The second rational number, 2 over 5. 2 over 5 in the simplest form? Yes. Why? Because I don't have any common number between them. Attention here. How to add? The first I will write have the same denominator. I need to put the two denominator in the same. I have here 4 and 5. I will multiply 4 multiplied by 5. I have here, when I have different denominator, I will multiply the two numbers. 4 multiplied by 5 will be 12. And make cross multiplication. 5 multiplied by 3 will be 15. And 4 multiplied by 2 will be 8. 15 over 20 plus 8 over 20. It means has the same denominator. 20 and adding 15 plus 8 will be 23. Again, when I have the two rational number, 3 over 4 plus 2 over 5, I want to check the two rational numbers, the same denominator or not. No, the two rational number with the different denominators. Why? Because the first rational number, the denominator is 4, and the second rational number, the denominator is 5. It's mean different denominators. What can I do? The first, I will multiply the denominator. 4 multiplied by 5 will be 20. And we make cross multiplication. 5 multiplied by 3 will be 15. 4 multiplied by 2 will be 8. And adding 20 is the same, and adding 15 plus. And check the rational number in the simplest form, yes. Another one, I have negative 4 over 12 plus negative 9 over 6. What can I do? I will check the first two rational number in the simplest form. No. Why? I have here 4 over 12. I have common number between them. The common number between them, I will take the highest common factor between them. 4 and 12, the common factor between them is 4. I will divide the numerator by 4 and the denominator by 4. Negative 4 divided by 4 will be 1, and 12 divided by 4 will be 3, negative 1 over 3. The second rational number. The second rational number is negative 9 over 6. I will check. I have any common number between them? Yes, I have common number between 9 and 6. The 9 in table 3 and 6 in table 3. I will divide the numerator by 3 and the denominator divided by 3. It means 3 over 2. Here I have negative 1 over 3 plus negative 9 over 6. Not have the same denominator. I notice here I have 3 and 6. Can I put in the two denominator with the same denominator? The same denominator will here 6. I can multiply 3 by 2 up and down will be negative 2 over 6 and negative 9 over 6. The answer will be 6 in the same denominator, and adding negative 2 plus negative 9, the answer will be negative 11 over 6. Operation. Now we take the operation, the probabilities and the operation of the addition in the rational number. The probability of the addition in the rational number, the first one is closure. Closure probability. What is the meaning of the closure? When I have A over B belong to Q and C over D belong to Q, then adding A over B plus C over D belong to the same rational number. Commutative probability, it's mean when I have A over B belong to Q and C over D belong to Q, then when I adding A over B plus C over D equals C over D plus A over B, the same. Third one, associative probability or associative probability. Here, if A over B, C over D, and E over F are three rational numbers, then A over B plus C over D plus E over F equal A over B plus C over D plus E over F. A plus B plus C over D plus E over F, all the same are equals. The additive natural element, if every A over B belongs to Q, then when I adding any rational number plus 0 is have the same rational number. A over B plus 0 equals 0 plus A over B equal A over B. When I have 2 over 5 plus 0 equal 2 over 5. 0 is the additive natural element in Q. Very important. Here, what is the additive natural element? The additive natural element is 0 in the rational number. The additive inverse of the rational number. The additive inverse of the rational number, when I have A over B belong to Q, there is negative A over B belong to Q, where A over B plus negative A over B equal negative A over B plus A over B. When I have 1 over 2 plus negative 1 over 2, I will be adding the positive rational number with negative rational numbers, answer would be 0. When I adding 2 plus negative 2, the answer would be 0. We're adding 1 plus negative 1, the answer would be 0. When I adding half plus negative half, the answer would be 0. It means the additive inverse. We notice each of A over B plus negative A over B or the additive inverse of the other. Write the additive inverse of the following. 3 over 8. What is the meaning of the additive inverse? Additive inverse are where change the sign. When I have the sign will be positive, the answer will be negative. When I have the rational number is positive, the additive inverse is negative. Here I have the answer would be negative 3 over 8. Absolute term of negative 1.5. The absolute term means the answer would be positive. And convert the mixed number will be improper fraction. 1 multiplied by 2 will be 2. 2 plus 1 will be 3. I will take it before in the first lesson. It means the mixed number will be improper fraction will be 3 over 2. It means the additive inverse will be negative 3 over 2. Why? Miss, here I have here negative. Attention, I have here's the absolute term. When I have the absolute term, the answer will be positive. It means the answer will be 3 over 2. I need to find the additive inverse. I will change the sign, negative 3 over 2. Here I have negative 3 and third. It's a mixed number. I will convert it, will be improper fraction. How? Then 3 multiplied by 3 will be 9. 9 plus 1 will be 10. It means negative 10 over 3. The additive inverse is 10 over 3. 0. The additive inverse of 0 will be 0. Here I have 0 plus 3. I have here dot. What is the meaning of dot? Dot is requiring number. I will write it on the calculator. 0.33333333 and write equals. The answer will be 1 over 3. I will change the sign, will be negative 1 over 3. We note here the additive inverse of the number 0 is itself. Because why? Why 0 will be 0? Because 0 plus 0 will be 0. I have here the additive natural element. Write the additive inverse. Okay. Complete each of the following. The additive identity. In element, I will say the additive identity will be 0. The additive inverse, I will change the sign. The additive inverse of the number negative 4 over 9 will be 4 over 5. Here I have 2 over 7 plus what equal 1? 1 means 7 over 7. 2 plus what equals 7? 2 plus 5. Here x minus 1 over 2 is the additive inverse of the number 1. It means the additive inverse in the will be negative 1. It means x will be negative 1 over 2 because negative 1 over 2 minus 1 over 2 will be negative 1. Negative 1, it means the additive inverse of negative 1 over 4. Attention here. I will find the answer first. First, I will find the answer. Here I have negative 1 over 4 power 0. We say before any number power 0 will be 1. It means the additive inverse is negative 1. X plus 4 over 11 equals the additive identity 0. It means the number will be the additive inverse. The additive inverse of 4 over 11 will be negative 4 over 11. The answer would be negative 4 over 11. Thank you. Thank you for this lesson. Inshallah, today we'll take another lesson.